If you've ever taken a language class, like a Spanish class or whatever, you can relate to the idea that you could take years of Spanish in high school and college and never speak Spanish. Or you could go to a Spanish-speaking country and get thrown in the deep end, and then you learn Spanish. We built Hack Reactor to be like going to Spain, not like taking a Spanish class.
I think that the most important thing that Hack Reactor teaches you is to be independent in solving the sorts of problems that you've never solved before and maybe nobody has ever solved before.
Learning how to engage in pair partnerships, learning how to communicate your technical skills are all invaluable in terms of really giving Hack Reactor students an advantage as they're setting out on the job market.
One of the best things about Hack Reactor is the curriculum. It's really hard to get it perfect when you have to cram so much into such little time. But the instructors do an amazing job of it, and they're always iterating upon what the current curriculum is.
The stuff that really moves me has been some of the students who have come the farthest, who didn't necessarily have a background in computer science before they started. They joined because they wanted to make a whole new life. And it's been amazing to see their successes.
Going through the program gave me a lot of the tools necessary to not only get through the technical interview process to actually get hired at Amazon. It certainly equipped me with the knowledge base to actually be able to perform my job and be able to contribute.
So the job hunt can obviously be a very stressful time. However, Hack Reactor really prepares you for that. You have many classes on how to prepare your resume, how to put your social image out properly for employers, and how to connect with companies.
And Hack Reactor is the only organization that I've ever worked for and been a part of that is always looking at the numbers and always saying, okay, well the data is saying this, how do we get even better? So I think that's the differentiator between Hack Reactor and other boot camps.
We hold ourselves accountable for reporting percentages of people getting a job and what their likelihood of having a certain salary is. It makes me proud that not just on a business level do we hold ourselves accountable for reporting those stats, but we live the purpose of the stats each and every day and make sure that students get jobs, because that is what it is all about.